everyone, welcome to Made by Zina. Today I'm going to show you how to make hummus. Let's get started. In order to begin, we need to have the following ingredients.
We need 3 cups of dried chickpeas, 3 lemons squeezed, some salt, and also 3 tablespoons of tahini. Now, if you're a garlic lover, you might add a couple or 1 clove of garlic.
We're going to begin by soaking the dried chickpeas. And we're going to let it soak for 6 to 8 hours. After soaking the chickpeas for 6 to 8 hours, we will notice that the chickpeas have absorbed some of the water and they expanded. The next step will be to start boiling them. You will know when they're done boiling when they're soft. Once they're done boiling, drain out all the water. After we have drained all the water, we keep it outside to get to a room temperature, and then we put it in the fridge to get it as cold as possible. The next step we'll be taking is putting everything, the chickpeas, the garlic, and the salt in the food processor. Here we go! I recommend adding a couple of ice cubes to the chickpeas in the food processor. That will help the mixture stay cold, and this eventually will have the hummus becoming smooth and foamy. Let's check on it. Just need to get a little bit smoother, so we'll keep going a little bit longer time. For it to become smooth enough and foamy, we need to keep it in the food processor for a while. And then let's check on it. Continue. They take a while in the food processor to become smooth. Let's check on it. They are smooth enough now. Now it's the right time to add the tahini. We got here 3 tablespoons of tahini. Several minutes has passed. Let's check on it. Now, this smooth texture, and that's what we're looking for. The smooth hummus texture. Smooth and foamy. It's ready. One final step I'd like to do is garnish it with some olive oil. All ready. Thanks for tuning in on Made by Zina. I hope you enjoyed my hummus recipe.